We're planting lemons and what else we planting, Ma?
Huh?
What else we planting?
Okay. Actually, our audience can tell us down in the comments what y'all think we should be planting, because right now we are actually just preparing the soil. I'm thinking lemons. I'm thinking my daughter wants mangoes. And
No, we don't gotta do mangoes.
I like greens. I love greens. And if we could produce some greens in this hot sun, that would be dope. So
We
right
got
now,
bananas over there. They can
just
see
give
it.
me for 1 second, baby. Right now we are measuring 4 by 8. So we are measuring our space. And then
What's killing me is they got mosquitoes in the morning time.
I know, that's what I just waved one off of him.
They just bit me. Kinda messed up. Probably can't see that, guys, but he has bananas. And there's something over here, I don't know what it is, but right here. Now, let me come over there with you. They really got me.
Check out the pineapple. Pineapple? Where? You might could do one of those. You might could try lemons and pineapple because they like the most. Where they at?
Strawberries?
No, pineapple.
No, can we grow strawberries? Actually, we're gonna leave that to the comments.
With the hard stuff first, so that we can know. So you gotta go look on the video. So we have the pineapple here, and I think I might actually start to try a pineapple and some lemons.
Where the aloe vera?
Huh?
Aloe vera? Yeah, it's itchy. I'm not used to the nature. I'm used to being in a room. That might sound a little bit lazy, but like this is I got sun and stuff.
This is what they use in Jamaica food wash.
Excuse me, Jelly.
It's the cactus plants feel like aloe vera, but they use it for something else. Come here.
Move.
Here's the aloe vera here.
I wonder is it spiky? It looks that this looks spiky.
Okay, so this aloe vera plant is doing pretty good. The lemons take a long time to bear, so we can't do the lemons here. We're probably just gonna do the collard greens, cabbage, and spinach.
You can have.
No, when I told you I wanted to do collard greens, what did you think about that?
Yeah, as I said, that's what I want you to do.
So we are actually just digging up the soil to make new soil for the new plants, all of the old weeds and everything. So.
You don't have to put all color greens. You can put a row of colored greens. You can put some maybe put a plastic over the people. What do you call it? Laminated.
Okay.
So you're gonna laminate it right now.
So what we've been doing here is actually digging up the old soil and the old weeds and trying to make a new foundation for we are about to plant. I'm sorry, what we are about to plant.